Hey, so this is my very first YouTube video. I'm a novice gardener and homesteader, and I live in upstate New York, like way upstate near Canada. It's now February, it's late February. I've done a setup in the basement here where I have a couple of shelving units so that I could grow some greens, spinach, lettuce, cilantro, and I've just begun a couple weeks ago. I have one heating mat that is plugged in so I can germinate with a little more soil warmth. But the reason I wanted why I'm inspired today to shoot this first video was because I've watched a lot of great videos on YouTube about gardening and indoor gardening, but I hadn't really found one that just focused on how to get started. So I decided I'll just do my own. I chose these stackable shelves from Lowe's. Pretty inexpensive. They stack 1, 2, 3, 4, actually 5 high. I have extra shelves here that I haven't used. As you can see, I've got a traditional shop light on top, and I think this is 5800 Kelvin. Kelvin is just basically the spectrum of light. You can see the two of them are a little bit different. So this sort of has more blue in it, and that's supposed to be more like actual daylight. This one I think is just getting old, so the color temperature is a little bit different. These are Utilitech. Very inexpensive LED, and here it is right here. 3000 lumens shop light. You can see what I've done here is just use the chains that have come with them and hung the lights. I opted for 2 per shelf, and I've actually they only had enough in the store to get 6, so I've just done 3 shelves, and then again I've got my top. I bought this one, I already had. This was an old one, and then this is a new shop light that I bought also at Lowe's, and that's one more, and that's one of these. Very inexpensive, like 17 bucks. So the shelves were, I'll have to look at my receipt, but it was maybe 60 bucks a set. And then the shop lights, these were, like 15, 20 bucks each. And I got 6 of those. I've got a fan here because you're supposed to keep your keep a little air going so that your plants don't become complete wimps. And then I was thinking, what am I going to do for the background? Because I'd seen, it looked like people had aluminum foil that were kind of giving that reflective enhancement of the light. And I had some leftover underlayment. It's, here it is right here. It comes like accordion style, and then it's just, you just cut it. And it turned out that like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 folds was perfect for what I needed. I even have some last pieces that were already cut like this from the flooring that I might fill in right here. I love it when stuff, you have extra stuff lying around, just works out so perfectly. I mean, it's not the prettiest thing in the world, but and I'll cover that up down there too. But it's just to start with, to spend a couple $100 and to be able to start growing. Again, one sort of warmed greenhouse for that warmer soil temp to get those little guys germinating. As you can see, I've also done the I'm not too proud to admit I've got toilet paper rolls there as my little Jiffy pots, and I bought one of these at Lowe's while I was there. So, you know, we're just getting started. It's just been a couple weeks in, and I'll just keep incubating, germinating the seeds in here, and then moving them over. I've got some basil up here. These types of lettuce containers also make great little mini greenhouses. Probably don't need this anymore. See, this is what I was using to have before I put this other stuff up today. Okay, that's it. Hey, thanks for watching my my YouTube video here on how to get started growing vegetables in your basement. I guess I'm supposed to say don't forget to like the video and subscribe, and I'd love to hear from you. So drop a comment, let me know what you think. Be gentle, but like I said, you know, it's my first one of these videos. Thanks very much.